To temporarily close your Shopify store without losing all your hard work, you need to place it on pause. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel from a desktop computer because this specific feature is not available through the mobile app. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Plan to open the section that displays your current subscription details and billing cycle. Inside the Plan Details screen, you will see a button or link labeled Deactivate Store. Clicking this option will not immediately delete anything. Instead, it triggers a workflow that helps you choose your next step. A prompt will appear asking why you are leaving. Select a reason from the drop-down menu, such as closing or selling my business, or simply taking a break. After you choose the reason, the system reveals the specific option you are looking for, which is typically called the Pause and Build plan. Select the Pause and Build option and review the details carefully. This plan allows you to deactivate the storefront so customers cannot place orders, but it keeps your admin panel active so you can edit products and design elements. The cost is significantly reduced to a nominal monthly fee, usually $9, compared to the full active subscription price. Confirm your selection and accept the terms if required. Then click the Final Confirmation button to transition your store into this paused state. Your storefront is now hidden behind a password page. To verify that everything is working correctly, open a private or incognito browser window and type in your store's primary web address. You should see a "Coming Soon" or maintenance message, but no checkout capabilities. Remember that while you are on this pause plan, any third-party app subscriptions running outside of Shopify will still need to be canceled manually within those individual apps to avoid unexpected charges. When you are ready to reopen, simply log back in, go back to the plan section, and choose a full plan to make the checkout live again.